Welcome to my channel. Let's get some sun together. Did you know staring at the sun could actually boost your health? Sounds crazy, right? Here I will show you the right way and a wrong way to do sun gazing. So hang on to the end. Let's explore the ancient practice of sun gazing. It just might be the secret to feeling more energized. Stay tuned because I've got some mind-blowing facts about what you get from the sun. Sun gazing has been practiced for centuries. Like the ancient cultures of the Egyptians and Mayans, they believed the sun's energy could nourish the body and mind. What does science say about all this? Let's break it down. Stick around, because I'm about to reveal which vitamin you can get directly from the sun. And no, it's not just vitamin D. Sun gazing is thought to offer a variety of benefits. Our bodies need the sun to survive. By focusing on the sun for just a few minutes each day, it's said to help increase energy. It improves mood and regulate your sleep cycle. I will explain more later, so hang on to the end. The sunlight you take in helps your body to produce vitamin D naturally. This is crucial for bone health, immune function, and even improving your mood. Vitamin D is one of the biggest perks that you get from the sun. It also helps with the production of serotonin, the feel-good hormone. That's right, regular sun exposure can help lift your spirits and get you feeling more optimistic. If you have issues with depression, getting some sun can help. Like I promised, here are even more benefits that the sun provides. Improves eye health. Strengthens the eyes by stimulating retinal cells and improving the brain-eye connection. Sun gazing can help to regulate your hormones by naturally balancing hormones like serotonin and melatonin, leading to better mood and sleep. Enhanced pineal gland function. The pineal gland, also called the third eye, it is thought to be activated by sunlight, potentially boosting intuition and brain function. Feeling drained? Sun gazing may help recharge your body and even reduce unnecessary food cravings. Sunlight reduces cortisol, the stress hormone. This helps you feel calmer and more balanced. Some believe sun gazing can help with digestion by stimulating the body's natural energy flow. More sunlight and fewer cravings. Now don't go staring at the sun all day. There are rules to this so that it benefits you. Stay safe so it does not harm you. Experts recommend a few minutes during early morning at sunrise or late evening around dusk. Never do it when the sun's rays are intense to minimize risk. Start slow, like 10 seconds, gradually building up to about 10 to 15 minutes. If you are not able to get the sun that you need during these times, you can get it in other ways. You can find it in some good quality foods like mushrooms, milk, cheese, salmon, egg yolks, canned tuna, and of course supplements. So if you're looking for a quick mood boost and better health, sun gazing just might be the way to go. Now for the how-to directions to sun gazing. Like I mentioned before, the best time to do this is the first hours of sunrise or the last hour before sunset. The sun is weaker at these times, reducing the risk of eye damage. Begin by gazing at the sun for just 10 seconds on the first day. Each day, increase the time by 10 more seconds, but never exceed 45 minutes in total. For best results, stand barefoot on soil, sand, or grass while sun gazing. This helps you connect with the Earth's energy, a practice known as grounding. I will tell you about grounding in another video. Let your eyes soften, blink naturally, and focus on the experience rather than staring intensely. Deep breathing can help you absorb the sun's warmth and energy. If your eyes feel uncomfortable or strained, stop immediately. Sun gazing should feel relaxing and refreshing, never painful. Practice sun gazing daily to experience its full benefits. Many report better mood, deeper sleep, and more energy after a few weeks. So there you have it, the joy of sun gazing and all its benefits and how to do it. Enjoy! But remember, always do it safely and responsibly. Let me know in the comments if you have tried this. I have done this for years. It works wonders for me. For more sun facts, see my next video.